This is Kindergarten, Module 2, Lesson 3 homework. Color all the rectangles red. Color all the triangles green. So let's first start with the rectangles. To classify a rectangle, we need straight sides, 4 of them, and then 4 corners. So if I look at my first shape up in the top left, that has no sides, so we're not going to classify that at all. And we can't classify it as a rectangle. So down below it, I see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and all straight sides. So I'm going to color that one red. And we also color that red because it's a special type of rectangle called a square. Now if we look just below, we see we have another shape with 4 corners and 4 straight sides, so that's also a rectangle. Down at the very bottom left, I see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and 4 straight sides, so that's going to be classified a rectangle. And now I'm going to look around for all the others that have 4 corners and 4 straight sides. So I have one right over here. I have one just up from it, and this one is one of those special rectangles called a square. The one directly above it is also a rectangle, and the one just above it to the left has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and 4 sides. So it's a rectangle, but that's one of our special ones called a square. So now I've looked through and I found all of my rectangles, so I'm going to switch over and I'm going to start looking for a triangle. And to have a triangle, I need 3 corners and 3 straight sides. So I'm looking for all of the ones with the shapes with 3 corners and 3 straight sides. So I see 1, 2, 3, and they're all straight, so I'm going to color that one in. The one over to the right here, I have 1, 2, 3. So I'll color that in, and they're straight sides, so that's a triangle. And I'm going to find all of my 3-sided, 3-corner, straight line shapes and color them green because they're going to be triangles. See another one right in here. One down here at the bottom. And then my last one is my small one over here. And I'll notice the reason why some of these aren't. This top one up here has no corners, no straight sides. This next one has rounded areas in here. And we're looking for 4 corners and 4 straight sides, and those are rounded. This one doesn't have 4 corners. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corners. So that's not going to be a rectangle. This one's actually a 3-dimensional shape. We see that it has more corners than what we need, and we know that a rectangle is a 2-dimensional shape where it lays flat. This last one down here at the bottom, we see has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. It has 4 straight sides, but when we look at the corners and how they turn, they aren't L-shaped, and the L-shaped corners are going to tell us that it's a rectangle, so those don't look right. So that's actually not classified as a rectangle. So if we look down below, we see on the back of your paper you're going to draw 2 rectangles and 3 triangles. And then you'll answer how many shapes did you draw. And you'll put your answer right inside of there. So we're drawing 2 rectangles, and remember we have to have 4 corners and 4 straight sides, and we like those to be L-shaped. And for the triangles, we need 3 corners and 3 straight sides. Hope this helps, and good luck on your homework.